Hello, good morning. We are out here at Piney Creek Nature Preserve in Southwestern Illinois. Kind of found this place online, Facebook I think it was, and it is supposed to have Illinois' largest collection, or one of Illinois' largest collection of Native American rock art. So it's an early November day. Mid-50s right now, and it's supposed to get up to about mid-70s by the peak. And we just thought we'd take the couple-hour drive it took to get out here, explore around, and thought we would take you along. Yeah, so we have this place which is not very big. I think I read it was 190 something acres, so all to ourselves. It is right in the middle of Illinois farm country, and have very little information about it, or know very little about it, so it should be a pretty good adventure.
Begin the trail at the sign for Piney Creek Nature Preserve. And there's supposed to be a waterfall, although I find that hard to believe, and rock art at 1 mile.
Alrighty.
So there it is.
Lead the way.
Oh no, I thought there was a visitor center.
Yes. So as I was planning for lunch, she tells me that we're just going to eat at the visitor center and at their picnic tables. And there's no need to pack anything in the backpacks. Not sure what all the little flags are about, since there's no information, but definitely a well beaten down path going into the woods along the edge of his little farm field. I know we're supposed to go this way for a ways, but curiosity's got me. Yeah, well, not much to read here. And obviously something goes that way, and something goes that way. Coin toss.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So here's where we are. And we're supposed to find a large rock or something with a thing on it.
Okay, well, look more at the map than reading the paragraphs, Ruthie.
Okay, I'm looking at the map. We're somewhere in here.
It's a lollipop, so there's
I'm
no
gonna-
wrong choice.
But we're supposed to go to the right, because
Okay.
that's the good view with the waterfall.
Well, then go to the right.
We're going here.
Okay,
Oh,
that was easy.
Oh. Oh, only 23 years.
I do think it should be a fun little hike, though. Although I think it will be a little hike. It's pretty out here. It's quiet. It's not hot.
Or buggy.
Yeah, or buggy. So really, it should be a pretty good day. Cute little ridge we're on. Drops again. If that is Little Piney Creek, then the drought that we are all having it's affected this one pretty good. But Does look like an old creek bed. Now there's some bluffs over that way. We finally made it down to the bottom, so we'll start our little explore. Alright, so we picked up the trail again on the other side of the creek area, but the thing is there's no water in it. We want to walk down here to this bluff and just look around the corner and then look at the bluff line. Yeah. Pretty neat. Looks like that could have been a little waterfall at one time. The creek takes a little turn and heads downhill. Yeah, it's pretty down here. Wife's found her some little Bigfoot footprints that she says.
See? Big toe.
Oh,
See?
yeah.
It could be.
Yep, okay, I get it, yeah.
Juvenile?
Yeah. Yeah, looks like when it was a flowing water system, they're definitely seasonal anyhow. It naturally drain right through here. And then over the edge into about a 10-foot fall, it looks like, before it hit the creek. But it was pretty. Alright, I think we have found a place where her little map has the lollipop. So up here to the left, it actually, it does say rock art, so that's the direction it's going to be. But the hiking trail itself is this way, and that's the direction we are going. But I think we are finally orientated now, so might not be as much confusion. Those were air quotes. Yeah, so I don't think it's coming out well, or at least it's not in a little 1-inch viewfinder, but there's a nice bluff lying along there, and creek down there, and the trail's heading this way. So we are thinking at some point it's going to turn, and that the rock art and the trail both are going to be over on that bluff line. That's what our thoughts are. And it'll be a good little spot to stop for lunch. Find a little rock house or something. Yeah, there's a little bit of a view of it. There's the creek. You can hear the trickle from the waterfall. The bluff all along the back way over there. So we are almost heading down, I think. You got to see the view over here, Rufy.
I think we're supposed to go that way.
Yeah, it does look that way. Yes. Oh, I hear voices, so maybe we're not alone after all. So now we are heading down into the ravine and the rocky bluff, so should start picking up. It's pretty nice. I'm enjoying it. Okay, so we veered off of the switchback for a few minutes to let the other people get ahead of us instead of from behind us. And, well, this is pretty, so we want to check it out real fast. The trail is just to the left. So you want to let them get ahead of us. You know. Yeah. Yeah, right through there. The creek was kind of neat down there, maybe. We didn't spend any time down there because, well, we had the big picnic lunch right in the middle of the trail. Well, we had to cross the log jam, disrupt their sandwiches and all that fun stuff, so guess we're gonna beeline around the corner, at least let them get out of earshot. Yeah, this is a pretty good little climb up. We were crossing the log jam. Ruth fell off of the log jam, so it was, I don't know, 3-foot fall, nothing overly high, but enough to where she could sprain her hand on the rocks, so she's kind of gimpy now. It is kind of rude that you set up lunch in the middle of the trail, I think, but obviously plenty of room to sit around, let your kids play, but not right in the middle of the pass-through. Oh well. Oh, it is slowly coming back. Yeah, so we've turned away from the creek and the bluff line and them little rock houses and everything else. So we're following the trail, but it's going away from everything. I kind of just don't see how we're going to see any rock art if there's no rocks. That's my kind of concern right now. But we'll follow the trail out because we don't know any better. And see where it takes us. Oh, maybe I spoke too soon. There's a nice little flat area down in there. I see Old Creek. Okay. Yeah, now we're coming into some cool stuff. Here's the bluff, the creek. I think we'll try to find ourselves a nice little shady spot, have a lunch, and then explore around, try to find some of the rock art. Oh yeah, that is really pretty. Pretty good, huh? Mm-hmm. Okay. So we just finished our lunch break. Didn't realize there was another couple sitting up here on the bluff, so we almost disturbed them. And the other people were pushing from behind us, so we just got off trail for a few minutes, ate our little lunch, and hopefully we get a nice opportunity to explore the bluff, look for some rock art, and walk the ravine quietly. Yeah. Nice pretty bluff line though. Hopefully there's some cool stuff to see. Yeah. I hope that's coming out as good as I'm seeing it. All the red and the swirls. That's pretty neat, isn't it? Yeah. This is just such a pretty little valley, creek bed area. It's pretty cool. this is pretty. There are some other people across the river, so I apologize about the extra noises. It looks like we are coming into the rock art area. This ought to be pretty cool. Yeah, I don't know if you can see them or not, but right there in that dark spot, there's like a little face dude or something. Yeah, there's quite a few things. There's the little dude we were pointing out a second ago, and then there's part of a curve. There's some other pecked out things. I can't tell what they are in any way. There's some modern graffiti on top of that, which is kind of a shame, but there's some pecked out stuff here. Kind of looks like a cross or T to go with that hook. There's legs. Yeah, legs, and looks like a cross arm thing right through here. There's quite a bit of stuff. Yeah, yep. This is pretty neat. It really is. Alright. I don't see it the way she does as well, but my wife thinks that right through here, that is a deer. You can see like little antlers coming down, and then a bit of a body, and then some legs. Regardless, it's pretty neat. It really is. There's some pecked out things here, and this one here does look like a man. It looks like two of them, really. And some more modern graffiti, 1904. Some other names, 1878. Yeah, that's kind of a shame. Anyhow, modern times people carve their stuff over top of the existing stuff. Just seems like a shame. Kind of hard to tell, but right over here as the colors change, looks like there's some old peck marks. But I can't tell what they are in any way. And then looks like some modern graffiti over top of some old pecked out stuff. Oh. Some of these modern ones are pretty old. 1912, 1886, 1878, 1911. I'd say pretty neat, but I think maybe they should find their own rock to carve on. Left the other one alone. See here I think there were some picked out ones, but then at the same time I think these, which looks like a turkey and a house maybe, and some other kind of four-legged creature, and anyhow, it looks like that's a good attempt to be an old image, but it's the same color as Beer Man over here too, and it just makes me think that somebody was being cutesy. I don't know, but there's an awful lot of other graffiti of the exact same color around it, so I think that one's just people messing around. Oh, but I did see. See, looky here, there's another pecked out one. That one looks like it could be a deer. And some other running animal here. Yeah. That's pretty neat. Yeah. I think we're kind of wrapping it up right here, at least on this bluff, which out of all of them makes you just kind of wonder what made this one so special. But you know, I'm glad it was special. That was pretty neat. I will say I let my imagination get the better half of me as we were coming up here, because I thought there's just going to be, oh, like this little valley here, this ravine that we're in, just all along the bluff face, not just one little section of bluff, but I think that was me romanticizing things. But this has been really cool. I'm not disappointed by any means, even if it sounds like it. I'm not.
There's some here, Karl.
Oh, yeah, it's pretty subtle. There's something right through there. It's got little legs and a head, and there's some other pecked out stuff in through here, but I personally can't make it out.
And there's something right
Yeah,
there.
there's quite a bit inside that little area. I tell you, that was really neat. That was worth the 3.5, 4 hour drive to get up here. Really, we're backtracking a little bit now. That was a dead end section after the trail. We're crossing this cool little creek. Well, we crossed the bigger creek. We're crossing this little bitty section here before a waterfall. Well, not much of a waterfall. Heading on out of here. That was really pretty cool. Yeah. We're working our way back out of here now, following another little drainage. Pretty neat. Good day. That was a lot of fun. It was a really neat area. Wish I knew more about the history of the rock art. I don't. I know some of it is back to Mississippian era, and some of it is woodland period, and then of course some of it is 19th and 20th century modern American. But it was all pretty neat just the same. It's a good day to be out. Good weather. Relatively quiet. It's just a good day for a small little explore. So we are about back to the truck. I think I'll wrap this up here. Again, I want to thank you guys for coming along with us. Beautiful day, and we'll see you next time.